Whatever's easier for you.
First time.
Oh, you're doing good, Malaka. It needs a little more, that's all.
Son of a biatch. Gotta get it. You gotta.
You're gonna get it. We're not gonna stop till you get it. There it is. Leave it on it.
It's not going on.
It's because the wind. There it is.
Yeah, baby. First time.
Awesome.
Not too bad.
Yeah, perfect. Throw a couple of pieces on it, it's gonna catch.
I want to smother it.
What's going on, everybody? So, we're back out at, fuck, I always do this in the beginning. At Verneuil Kill at our spot. Christopher is not here today, thank God. We got one of my friends from work. What's your name again? Adam? We just put bacon on. Take a look at that. Oh man, those look really good. Holy shit, those are gonna be great. We haven't been doing much filming, but we'll start, I guess, because Christopher wants me to film as much as possible. Oh my God, those look so good. We did a little fishing this morning. We're gonna go back. Well,
We just tested it out.
he did some fishing this morning. We're gonna go back out in a little bit, try to catch a fish. On the menu for this trip, we got some grilled cheeses, we got some burgers. We got some. This is amazing.
BLT.
This is the greatest.
Yeah?
This is gonna be the greatest BLT ever. Unbelievable. Christopher couldn't come because he was been playing so many video games on Twitch that his wife wouldn't let him come. So all the better for us, because he's a little bit of a whiner. So when these when this bacon is ready, I'll start filming again. Oh man, this thing's coming along, baby. Trying to get a flatter spot here. Oh, bacon's almost done. It's so weird calling you Adam. So used to calling you
Adam.
What is it?
Andy.
Andy.
You're a dick.
Sorry, I'm just so used to Sadelsky that.
Call me Sadelsky.
All right,
Adam.
Sadelsky's getting the wraps ready. Yeah, why did I think Adam?
I don't know.
I
don't know Alexander.
Really? We're gonna go there? Alexander. Alexander.
How are we looking here? It's gonna still be soft. I like it a little crunchy.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, could leave him. Oh my God, that looks delicious just like that.
All right, a few more minutes with that. I can't wait anymore.
Chris! Look, Chris!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, it fell.
A little bit of action with everybody. It's actually good for you.
Oh my god, bro. Guys, this is the greatest BLT ever made. Thank you. Oh my god. Chris is just missing out on everything today.
Look at that
Oh my
slab.
god.
So much flavor.
Unreal how good it is. Chris, don't bother coming back. He just replaced you. Oh my god.
I'm not here to replace anyone.
Don't say stuff like that, because then he's going to think he can come again now.
I'm going to join you guys.
Alright, fine. But he's never made anything like this. I'm getting a little happy right now. Holy moly. Alright guys, we're going to enjoy the rest of these BLTs. And when we come back, maybe Sadelsky will talk a little bit. We'll see what happens. I walked right into him.
Yep. Watch you hit the camera.
Unbelievable. Holy shit, that was scary.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, snake.
You literally almost stepped on him.
Yeah. Holy shit, that scared the shit out of me.
That is a rattlesnake.
What's up, guys? So, we're back at the lake doing a little fishing. That's it, bye. No, I'm kidding. I'm having such a good time, I don't even want to do this. You know, like, I just want to sit here and enjoy the breeze.
It is a nice breeze.
Oh my god. It's supposed to rain later. Pretty heavy from the last time I checked. Oh boy. Now I got no service. We'll see what happens. I don't even care. I really don't care right now.
Yeah, we're all set up. Plenty of food.
Yeah. Oh my god, those grilled cheeses are gonna be good.
And when are we gonna squeeze those grilled cheeses in?
Fuck, I don't know. We're gonna have to stay up later.
Oh yeah.
What we're gonna do is make kielbasa. We're gonna shove the kielbasa in the grilled cheeses.
Ooh.
See, you gotta think like a fat guy. Oh my god, I could literally just sleep right on this fucking thing right here. Just.
We did sleep for 2 hours, by the way.
We did.
We passed out
We passed out for 2 hours. This is great.
after our bacon BLT.
So, we're going on a little hike here to have a look around, see what's around. This motherfucker over here is just like Chris. He wants to go fucking explore everywhere. Let's walk 12 miles today. They're gonna get along just fine. Look, he's carrying his fishing poles. Oh my god, I'm way too lazy for this shit. Unbelievable. I'm so regretting bringing him. It's not even funny. Should have just came by myself. Look at the path he has me on. Like, this is like, I feel like we're gonna get raped down here. What? You found something? Oh. Apparently it's opened up. What's up, guys? So, we went down another trail and we found this beautiful spot right here. There's two streams coming together. Sadelsky's across there looking at this campsite. Somebody's been there, camped before. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the video doesn't do it justice, but it's really beautiful. It's really, really nice right here. We came down from that way somewhere. There's another path here. Probably go up this way later and check it out. Goes down farther, we're gonna check it. It's freaking beautiful over here. It's unbelievable how nice it is right here. And way cooler than our spot. So, he's found something. Oh, he's probably taking a picture of a salamander again. What'd you find, another salamander? All right, so we're gonna keep exploring and we'll see what else we can find. All right. What's up, guys? So we just got back from our walk. We found a really, really nice camp spot. It's like at this convergence of these two waterways. It's really, really nice. Chris will really, really like it. Sadelsky went back out to check one more path. I decided to stay here. We got the fire going. We're gonna make, I'm assuming we're gonna make some grilled cheeses soon, so I'm super happy. Overall, having a great time. It's a lot nicer than last time. The humidity broke. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain. So we're gonna have a good night tonight. Probably get up early tomorrow and do a little fishing. We'll see how that goes. Miss Chris a little bit. But it is nice to be out, I'm not gonna lie. And hopefully he'll come next time, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So far it's been a pretty good trip. I haven't really filmed that much because I just really haven't felt like it. It's really weird, you know, when Chris isn't here, I really don't feel like filming that much. But, you know, next time, you know what it is? I'll tell you exactly what it is. I feed off of Chris, so when he's not here, I feel kind of awkward, you know? I miss him. But, you know, next time. So, you know, everything's going good. We got the fire going over here. I'll show you guys. So we're just waiting to get some embers off of that. And then we're gonna cook. So I'll get back to you guys when we start cooking some dinner. All right, guys, so the kielbasa is on. Oh, that's gonna be good, man. This guy, we got a master chef here. Wow, that looks great already. Wow, wait till it starts to. We're a little uncomfortable. We notched the seat flat. Put some cushions on it. Yeah, that looks great. It does, right? The fire looks great. This is all Sadelsky. This is all Sadelsky. Notch the wood flat. Put a little cushion on it. Oh, great. Good? Oh, unbelievable. You're the man, unbelievable. Bro. You're the man. Who's better than you? You. No, not me. You. Not me. You. Definitely not. Oh man, I feel like you just replaced me and Chris. No, stop. Wow, it looks great. It looks really good. Right? It looks excellent. What's up, everybody? Good morning.
We didn't do a lot of filming last night because we were just enjoying dinner, and I got lazy. But it's around 8 o'clock in the morning. I got up early, I packed all my stuff. Sadelsky's still passed out. So I'm gonna wake him up in a little bit. But basically the plan now is just go out, get some breakfast, and head home and do it again next time. Kind of miss Chris, but Sadelsky's pretty good, so I had a good time with him. He doesn't stop at all. This guy made a rake and started raking the pine needles from around the camp. But he's crazy, but we had a good time. Yeah, so let me head back, wake him up, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.